The Blueberry Killer and Leif Johnson.
There's one there, please come to contact.
Hey, do me a favor, Brian. I told you I can't smell, right? If you hop on my driver's seat and see if you smell, I feel like I almost felt, like I almost hit the road twice, and I feel like I'm going to get sick. Does it smell like exhaust? Yeah. My head, I started having a headache, and I was like, I can't read, and then I'm like, what the f***, man? And I hit the curve over here, bumped it, and I'm like, so this car just came back today, but I can't smell it.
I can smell it. It smells like rotten egg.
Everything's on normal AC, not recycle.
Just smells like rotten egg.
I still feel sick as shit right now. I couldn't run right now if I tried. I feel like I'm gonna throw up, but I'm not. You know that feeling like I have a headache. Like I feel like right now. I feel like I'm hungover. Is what I feel like.
Sure you want to get checked out? It sounds like you've been.
They're not gonna do anything except tell me breathe fresh air, right?
Oh, I think it's usually carbon monoxide poisoning.
Then you definitely smelled something, right? Thank God. I think I'm crazy, you know.
Like a little bit of rock egg smell. That whole that you put out, they said, hey, it's like a rotten egg smell.
Yeah.
It's strong.
I'm telling you, I almost hit a bus and scared the shit out of me. I thought I was having
You're only pretty much yourself here.
my heart rate's low. I was like 42, 48, 50. I thought I was having a heart attack. I didn't know what to go on. Did you smell that?
Yeah.
I can't smell it. I almost hit my bumper first, and I couldn't read my screen. I started feeling like I have a headache right now. And I almost hit a bus. I didn't hit anything. And I said, then that's what you did. No, well, I did tonight. Yeah, I sat down and I started going to fall over. It's hard to, you know, unless I tell you I don't drink, no, I hear you. Come over, let's get you on, and we'll put you on tomorrow.